Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the GKU D900 DashCam, and this is a really good dash cam. It's got a 4K front cam and a 2.5K rear at 30 frames per second. If you also want a better frame rate, you can go for a 2.5K front and a 1080p rear cam, and that is a pretty good compromise in video quality for allowing the 60 frames per second, and I think the frame rate is a real important part of that as well. The camera is really simple to use. You literally just put it on your windshield, plug it in, and it starts recording immediately. It will turn on and off as you turn your car on or off. It has a parking mode if you hardwire it, and you can get a hardwire kit for it as well. And it comes with any features that you'd like to see in a dash cam. It has the option to use GPS, it has loop recording, it has a G sensor, so if it senses an impact, it will automatically safely record it. And then it basically has just one button on the side. You can edit all of the settings in the app, which is really simple to do, to change like the loop settings, the GPS, and download the data. You can also take the SD card out of the side if you want to and put it right into your computer to look at the video or pictures. Push the side button once, it will just automatically save that video and lock it. So it's nice that it only has one button, so it's really easy to find that when you do need to hit the automatic lock button for the recording. And it does come with some windshield savers that will make it so that you can use the static clings on the windshield here. That way, if you do need to remove it, it's a lot easier to remove. That 3M sticky film gets hard to remove if you leave it right on the windshield. It does come with a trim tool and some extra adhesives and some wire fixing cable as well. Overall, it's a really easy to use dash cam. The ergonomics are good. It's simple. It doesn't have any fancy, crazy buttons that you don't need. It's not a touch screen, which is, I think, a good thing, so you don't have to worry about reaching up and touching the buttons while you're driving. So you can go into the app to change the settings. The app was very simple to use and very straightforward. If you have any questions or comments, you can ask those down below. If you're looking to purchase it, check out a link down in the description as well.